All right, guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Next week, I'm going to go tuna fishing in Venice, Louisiana, and I want to record some of the stuff that we're doing. I've been using this DJI Mavic 2 for about the last few months now. It was not a cheap drone, so I've been thinking of ways of how to make sure if it crashes, I can at least recover it. So I have purchased nothing for this, and we're leaving next week. I had this old pool noodle. After looking online on Amazon, they had something that was kind of similar. It was like 19 bucks, 30 bucks, and didn't have good reviews. One guy said that a pool noodle would work better. So I'm making one. We're gonna see how it goes. I got this DJI, weighs about 32 ounces, but I got a 3-pound hammer that I'm going to zip tie to these pool noodles and see if it'll hold this 3-pound hammer up. If it does, I know it'll hold the 32-ounce drone. All right, I got my 3-pound hammer. It's just a test to see if it'll hold it up. Got my helper here. It does hold it. All right, so we got the drone to lift off the ground and fly around pretty good. This isn't meant to land on water for me. It's more of a rescue device. So it seems to work pretty well. It holds the weight and it looks kind of cool. Thank y'all again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification button. Thank you again for watching and have a good day.